Hi everyone, Lisa here with LC Designs. I have my Halloween treat packaging class ready to go. This class is going to use the bundle, Tricks and Treats, so the stamp set and the dies. And this die makes a gift box. I'll show you because we make one gift box with it. But you will use this stamp set. So there's going to be 3 options for this class. Let me show you the projects and then we can get into the details of the class. So this is our first project. Now I've added treats to all of mine, but you can put whatever you want in yours. This one holds 2 Reese's peanut butter cup pumpkins. So this is the first one, and this is that new glow-in-the-dark paper. So these ghosts and these bats will glow in the dark in the evening. The second project is this one holds, it's a slider box, and it holds 4 of the, these are Dove chocolates. And again, I have the glow-in-the-dark, they're bats and ghosts that come in the package. This is our new nested treat boxes. And so this one I put one of each of the characters on it. And this is for if you don't want to give somebody candy, you can put a non-candy item. I happen to find these socks at Walmart and they were only $1. So they probably won't last long, but that's our third project. Our fourth project is I'm going to show you how to make a skull out of a sugar skull out of the Frankenstein. And the reason I did that is because I found these Butterfinger skull candies. Again, you can put whatever you want in there, but there's a pouch for that. This box is one of our scallop gift card holder boxes. But for this, I didn't want to untie it and show the package. I put some of the candy corn harvest mix in it, and we added a little ghost with Boo, and that fits right inside there. I will send you the plastic, the cellophane bag to go with it. So that's another project. And then here is the box that die makes. So you'll make this box. And what I did is I stamped some tissue paper with the stamps that come in the set, just a little piece. And this holds a Russell Stover caramel apple pumpkin, chocolate pumpkin. So those are our 6 projects. So let's go over the options now. The option number 1 is you're going to get all the materials to make these projects, plus the bundle, the stamp set and the dies. The PDF tutorial, so I have the tutorial with all the instructions on how to make them. You're going to get a half, this is going to slide on, a half a pack of Them Bones Designer Series paper, and I'll cut it 6 by 12. This sheet here, I will probably cut for you all of the little pieces. And you're going to get a package of those glow-in-the-dark ghosts and bats. And you're going to get a spool of Parakeet Party metallic ribbon. And I will include 1 sheet of the glow-in-the-dark paper for you, specialty paper. You only need it twice for those glow-in-the-dark ghosts. So for all of this, this is option number 1. It's $88 plus $9 shipping because I'll ship it priority. And that way we have tracking on it. So option 2 is going to be everything except for the bundle. We'll pull the bundle out, but you're going to need it to make your projects. So this will be $38 because that stamp set and dies is like $50.25. So option 2, again, is everything, all the materials for the projects, all the consumable items, the PDF for $38. And then the last option, as always, I offer my PDFs for $15. So you can purchase just the PDF and you'll have to have everything else already on hand. So So I will post the registration link below. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And I think that's it. Take care. Thanks. Bye.